Channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share what is going to happen with the Pisces people when the Saturn is going to transit into the Pisces. So this particular prediction is based on the moon sign. So Pisces people, Pisces moon sign people are already going through Shani ki Sadesati. The Shani ki Sadesati phase has already been started for them from January 2023. It is going to, the first phase is going to end on 29th of March. From 29th of March 2025 till 2027, you will be in the second phase of Shani ki Sadesati. So in this video, I'm going to explain in brief that what all you have gone through in the first phase of Shani ki Sadesati, how will be your second phase of Shani ki Sadesati. Along with that, I will be going to help you out the remedies which you should do to overcome the challenges and the obstacles because of this particular transit. So Shani keep on changing its zodiac sign 2.5 years. So right now it is sitting in the Aquarius. From 29th of March 2025, it is going to move into the Pisces. So this particular prediction is that how the second phase of Shani ki Sadesati will be for the Pisces moon sign people. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos. Notice in the first charan of Shani ki Sadesati that has been started for you from 17th of January 2023, now which is going to end on 29th of March 2025. So this is a period where you must have seen lot of changes in your life. Emotions wise, it was not a great time. You may stuck in the office politics, but there is a high possibility in between this 2.5 years, there was a change of a job for you, but there was a lot of pressure in your current organization. And there is a lot of pressure in your mind related to your career that what is your like financial stability is missing in your life right now. You must have noticed that since last 2.5 years, there were a lot of expenditures, lot of expenses, and there was sudden expenses which you were getting. This is a time where you may feel like more lazy. There were a lot of ideas was there in your mind, but you were not able to execute it. This is a time where you must have taken your health for granted, due to which you may gain the weight or you may face any type of health related problem also during this time. During the first charan of Shani ki Sadesati was not so great for the domestic life. People must have faced the problem in their love relationship as well as in their married life. It has been noticed that in the first charan of Shani ki Sadesati, lot of your relatives, friends, or maybe the one whom you were in love with may have gone away from you. The chances of the breakup was high. That is a time where you were emotionally breakdown because of your personal or the professional life. So this was all about what has happened in the first charan of Shani ki Sadesati for you. Now from 29th of March 2025, we are going to enter into the second charan of Shani ki Sadesati. So now you need to understand that what is going to happen with you, positive now, as well as being the second charan of Shani ki Sadesati. So then the second charan of Shani ki Sadesati, it has been noticed that it is good for you finances wise. You are going to get lot of financial opportunities during this time. Career wise, this is a good time. There is a high possibility that you will be going away from your birthplace. Maybe you are going to shift in a different country, or if you're already working in a different country away from your birthplace, then you are going to get more success. Career wise, you are going to get the success. Finances wise, you are going to get the success. Still, you will be having a pressure in your mind about your career, like what I'm doing right now, maybe insecurities about your career, maybe fears about your career, or maybe a lot of, without any reason, they will be overthinking. So emotions wise, second charan of Shani ki Sadesati would not be so great time. You will overthink a lot, maybe sleeping disorders, and it will be difficult for you to balance your personal and the professional life, which you should manage, because this is a negative effect of Shani ki Sadesati. During this time, you may feel like more lazy. There is a high possibility the domestic happiness will be missing in your life. Maybe the fights, irritation, or you may feel like detached from your relatives, friend, or the family member. You may no more like socializing. You will start enjoying your own company. You will like isolation, loneliness. This is a time where you are going to start focusing on your own self more. You are going to prioritize where you are going to prioritize your own self, which I take this positively. This is a time where you can go for a self introspection, where you're going to spend time with your own self. You're going to take your health also. You're going to work on your health also. Maybe you can join a gym or start a yoga. You're going to focus on your diet also during this time. Not so great time marriage wise and love relationship wise. Love relationship wise, marriage wise, relationship with your friends and the relatives will be hampered during this time. There is a high possibility of breakup or the problems in the marriage. If your lagna is very strong or if your kundli is very strong, then only that marriage can be saved during the same time. Otherwise, you are going to face a lot of ups and downs. There will be irritation, frustration, and emotionally you may feel like drained out. You may feel like that nobody is understanding you. This is a time where you feel like duality, like sometimes you feel like more into the materialistic world, spending more time doing shopping or in the materialistic thing. Sometimes you may feel like that I should prepare for the liberation. You will become more religious also during this time. There's a high possibility you may travel to the religious place also during this time. But relationship wise, marriage wise, this will not be so great time. For that, you should do remedies to overcome the challenges. Being you will be emotionally, you may feel lot of ups and downs, insecurities, fear, restlessness, emotionally, because always a Shani ki Sade Sati affect you a lot on your mental health. So you need to take care of your mental health a lot. To overcome the challenges during this phase, make sure that you are doing Chaya Dan for at least 7 Saturday, the day when you have watched this video, and make sure for coming 2.5 years, you should donate cooked food to the needy every Saturday and keep on chanting Radhe Radhe at least for 12 minutes before you sleep. This will be going to help you out to overcome the challenges which you may face because of this Shani ki Sade Sati, where you are going to enter into the second phase of Shani ki Sade Sati. Share this video with your relatives and friends as much as you help your friends and the relatives in this particular hard time. They will also be able to overcome the challenges in their life. Share this video with your loved one. Thank you and have a great day ahead.